Hello friends, in this video tutorial I will teach you how to make a beautiful flower. I will show you the whole process step by step and unlock all the secrets. You will definitely succeed the first time. So let's get started. I use 5-inch balloons to make a flower. I choose dense balloons because they hold their shape better. I inflate balloons with 4 full pumps. Make a knot at the very end of the balloon. Then I press on the top of the balloon and disperse the air to the end. The balloon takes an elongated shape. This shape already looks like a flower petal. In order for the latex to fill the mold, I press the balloon several times at the beginning. Next, I make only 8 identical petals. Look at how long the petal's neck turned out to be. And this petal is shorter than the others, so I won't use it and I'll inflate a new one. Now I'm tying the petals in pairs close to the edge. I inflate a 12-inch balloon with 8 full pumps and do an apple twist. A 5-inch balloon, color rose gold, chrome, I inflate with 3 full pumps. I am tying the balloons together very tightly to each other. It turned out to be a very dense balloon shape. The middle of the flower is inflated for 3 full pumps and the apple twist for 8 full pumps. Now I'm fixing the petals between these 2 balloons. Look, the flower is ready, but the petals hold their shape very poorly, and from any touch or movement the flower can rub the shapes. To prevent this from happening, I fix each petal between each other with double adhesive tape. And now the flower is ready. Thank you for watching us.